Dr. Rudolf Breuss, a well-known naturopath and advocate for alternative cancer treatments, developed a diet specifically for cancer patients. His book, Cancer, Leukemia, and Other Apparently Incurable Diseases, is entirely dedicated to his method of therapeutic fasting for cancer. Dr. Breuss claimed that by 1980, his fasting therapy had successfully treated over 40,000 people with cancer and other serious illnesses. In his view, cancer is a completely independent creation inside our body, and the proteins found in our food are mainly responsible for its growth and progression. These proteins are typically found in the solid foods we eat daily. Dr. Breuss' therapy revolves around consuming natural vegetable juices made from organically grown vegetables, along with fasting. The key to his method is that these juices don't contain any proteins. This helps the body start drawing proteins directly from the tumor, eventually breaking it down and leading to the healing of the body. The Breuss diet is quite strict. It involves eliminating solid foods that contain proteins for 42 days, or 6 weeks. During this period, your body can break down and remove unhealthy substances that come from food, unhealthy drinks, and even what we inhale. It also helps with weight loss. By day 21 of following the full therapy, your body will begin to recover. By the end of the 42 days, if you followed the program strictly, it should be completely restored. Dr. Breuss recommends drinking vegetable juices made from root vegetables. To make Breuss famous juice, you'll need around 300 to 500 milliliters of beet juice, 50% of the mixture, along with 100 grams of celery root, 20%, 100 grams of carrots, 20%, 30 grams of radishes, 2%, and raw potatoes, about 3%, if you have liver cancer. The key part is that these juices don't contain any proteins. This is crucial for cancer treatment because, without proteins, your body starts to pull them from the tumor itself, washing it away as the blood absorbs what's needed. The best way to prepare the juice is by using a juicer, removing any solid parts or sediment. Remember, the Breuss diet doesn't allow solid foods that contain proteins, so you need to stick to the juice regimen completely. Dr. Breuss also recommended drinking a special tea as part of the treatment. This tea is made from 4 powerful medicinal plants: sage, lemon balm, mint, and St. John's wort. These herbs complement each other with their healing properties. To make the tea, follow the exact recipe and drink it twice a day instead of water. Dr. Breuss says that you'll start seeing results within 48 hours, regardless of the condition you were in before. There are no known side effects or contraindications when it comes to this tea. It's important that the herbs you use come from your local area because they are biochemically the best match for your body. The tea can also be used for people with heart issues, constipation, liver diseases, spine problems, urinary infections, prostate issues, hormonal imbalances, allergies, diabetes, and, of course, cancer. It's great for detoxifying the body, boosting immunity, and overall strengthening your health. Making Breuss tea is easy. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of sage to half a liter of boiling water, letting it simmer for about 3 minutes. Then, remove it from the heat and add a pinch of mint, lemon balm, and St. John's wort. Cover the tea and let it steep for 10 minutes. After that, strain the tea and split it into 2 equal parts. Drink the first half before breakfast and the second half during the day, preferably before bedtime. It's important that you don't sweeten the tea and that you prepare it in an undamaged enamel pot. Dr. Breuss emphasized that the success of this therapy depends entirely on following the instructions. If you combine the Breuss method with medication from conventional medicine, it won't work. Medication may kill cancer cells, but it also destroys healthy cells, which can make things worse. The Breuss method requires regular bowel movements, and if necessary, enemas to help the body get rid of toxins and prevent poisoning. Getting fresh air every day, doing light physical activity, and even getting a body massage are also important. Treating cancer involves having a positive mindset, eliminating stress, and avoiding unhealthy habits, as they contribute significantly to the development of disease. The Breuss total therapy isn't as simple as it might sound at first. Organic vegetable juices and the special tea are just small parts of a complex process of healing. For them to work, you also need to address the root causes of the illness. Dr. Breuss particularly focused on the role of poisons and harmful chemicals in the environment, which he believed were major causes of cancer. He mentioned insect sprays, air fresheners, cleaning chemicals, mothballs, and many other harmful substances. All of these need to be removed from your home and replaced with natural alternatives like lavender and frankincense for purifying the air. He also advised avoiding reheating food, using frozen foods, or eating food that's been treated with preservatives or chemicals. Where you sleep is also important. If your bed is over underground water, especially if water veins intersect underneath, it should be moved. Dr. Breuss method can also be used as a preventive measure. It's a great way to detoxify the body and is well known as a weight loss method. His diet helps you lose weight while detoxifying. However, it hasn't been widely accepted in all countries, especially where the pharmaceutical industry is more developed, as it could be a financial loss. But fasting and detox are becoming more accepted in many parts of the world. Now, who shouldn't try Breuss diet for weight loss? It's not recommended for children, teenagers, or anyone who's already very thin, because you can lose up to 15 kilograms in just 42 days. Pregnant women and those with terminal cancer should avoid it as well. What do you think about this diet?